Some big developments tonight regarding research on the medical mile. 24-Hour News 8 has learned that the Helen DeVos Children's Hospital is in the final stages of approval to start testing of cannabidiol oil in kids who suffer from neurological disorders like epilepsy. The use of medicine derived from marijuana remains controversial. Yet some studies indicate that it shows promise in children who don't respond to traditional medicine. This would be among the first trial of its kind in Michigan, a medical test that advocates say is needed to help treat what they say can be a deadly disorder.
These are the cases of, these are the children and the individuals for whom no other therapy is working.
At an area fundraiser tonight, Phil Gattone, the president of the Epilepsy Foundation of America, said that he was hopeful more clinical trials of cannabidiol or CBD oil would lead to a breakthrough in the treatment of neurological disorders like epilepsy, a condition that can lead to death and one that oftentimes doesn't respond to traditional medicine. Gattone says early trials have shown remarkable promise.
These are the toughest of the tough cases of epilepsy, and you're getting a 39% responder rate. So there's great hope, and we look forward to seeing the results of this trial.
News of new clinical trials in Michigan comes as proposed reform to the medical marijuana law is stalled in the Michigan Senate. Specifically, House Bill 4210, a bill that would amend the Michigan Medical Marijuana Act to allow the legal use of marijuana-infused products for medical purposes. While medical marijuana is legal in the state, there is currently a gap in the availability of edible and non-smokable forms. This is especially important for children with severe epilepsy syndromes who have found some relief through the use of CBD oil.
It's very frustrating because this is an oil. This is a CBD oil, cannabidiol oil, which means there is no smoking. It is not the traditional marijuana. When you think of marijuana, this is an oil. And in fact, it has none of the ingredients of the plant that cause the high that people think of when they think of medical marijuana.
If Helen DeVos Children's Hospital gets the final go-ahead, trials could start as early as June. Also, Mr. Gattone will be our guest tomorrow morning on Daybreak, talking more about the advancements of CBD treatments in kids and his lobbying efforts to alter the law here in Michigan.